Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing the recipe of 7-layer magic bars. 7-layer of deliciousness. Graham crackers, chocolate chip, butterscotch bits, walnuts, coconut, and then condensed milk. Long ago my friend shared this dessert and a recipe with me. Today I thought to make it and share it with you guys. It's an Eagle brand condensed milk recipe. I'll share all the link down below. So for this yummy treat, things we need will be some fine graham cracker crumbs. I'm using packaged one today. Then I have some butter, some walnuts. You can use any other nuts or mixed nuts as well. Chocolate chip, some butterscotch chips. I'll be using Hershey's today. You can use any other brand as well. Then I have some flake coconut and condensed milk. So these are all the ingredients. Let's go and make it happen. So first I melted the butter. Then I add the melted butter in my graham cracker crumbs and then mix until all the crumbs are coated with melted butter and all the crumbs are wet. And now it's time for layering. First grease your 9 by 13 inch glass dish or any other baking pan and press firmly your graham cracker crumb mixture. You can use fork, but I prefer to use my hand there. So just press firmly at the bottom of your pan. Now I take a can of condensed milk and instead of using the whole thing, I just pour half at this point. So just add a half of a can of condensed milk and then spread it with a very light hand. Now another layer of goodness, butterscotch bits, butterscotch chips, or they are called caramel bits as well. So just spread the whole thing all over the condensed milk. My favorite, chocolate chip. Now that's another layer of chocolate chip spread on top of caramel. And it's time to go nuts. Time to add walnuts. So you can use any other nuts as well, but I like to use walnuts in this recipe, or sometimes I use pecans, especially in winters. Now it's time to add a coconut. I'm using flake coconut, but if that's not available where you live, you can add very fine grated coconut as well. Now just take the remaining half can of condensed milk, pour it on top of these yummy layer of goodness, and then just press firmly with the help of fork. Now put it in the oven, which is already preheated on 350 degrees, and bake it for 25 minutes or until lightly brown. So here you can see I just took it out from the oven. It's still hot and it's bubbling from the edges. So just let it sit for a while and then cut it into little squares or diamonds. So enjoy this recipe with your family and friends and do give it a try. It's a must-try recipe and I can tell you that they're gonna be magically disappear as well as soon as you put it on the table. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you make this recipe, don't forget to share your picture. If you want me to make any other yummy recipe, just let me know, leave a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen. And then I'll see you with yet another recipe. Bye.